I soak eggshells in vinegar, a secret my grandmother shared with me. You'll never throw away eggshells again once you know this hidden use for them around the house. Start by taking a large bowl and adding eggshells, then pour in about 200 milliliters of vinegar. Eggshells are rich in calcium carbonate, which, when dissolved in vinegar, creates a fine-grained paste. Pour everything into a blender and blend until smooth. Transfer the blended mixture to a large bowl and add a small amount of water, followed by about 250 milliliters of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly to combine the ingredients, then pour the mixture into an empty bottle using a funnel. Secure the lid and shake well. This is my method for a natural pot cleaner. The eggshells act as an effective abrasive. It's great for burnt-on stains and greasy residues, plus it's eco-friendly and safe. My pots look like new. Squeeze lime juice onto charcoal. Start by taking a piece of charcoal and placing it in a plastic bag. Then take a wooden spoon and crush the charcoal into small pieces. Continue doing this until it's finely ground. Transfer the crushed charcoal onto a sieve. This is an important step to remove any larger pieces. Next, take a lime and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice into a bowl with the crushed charcoal. Mix the two ingredients thoroughly until a paste forms. Now, take a burnt pot and apply the paste. Spread the mixture over the damaged area and gently scrub it. This paste is perfect for removing stubborn burn marks from the pot. The abrasive properties of charcoal combined with the acidity of lime juice effectively remove burnt residues. Your pot will be clean and ready for use again. This paste works well on other burnt kitchen appliances too. Place a bar of soap in a pan and pour Coca-Cola over it. You'll be amazed by the result. This combination is brilliant. Prepare the pan and then grate an entire bar of soap. It will take a moment, but the results are worth it. Add 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola, enough to cover the soap shavings. Also, add 100 milliliters of water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from burning. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, mix 100 milliliters of water with a tablespoon of salt. Once everything in the pan has dissolved, add the contents of the bowl. Mix thoroughly. Pour the entire mixture into a container and seal it tightly. Place it in the refrigerator and wait for the soap to solidify. When it's ready, it will change color. Use it to clean burnt pans. See how easily you can get rid of burn marks with this homemade trick. Just take a bit of the soap and wash away the burnt residue. It took me just a moment, and my pan looks like new, without scrubbing or using a scouring pad. This mixture doesn't damage Teflon or delicate surfaces. Put the yolk on a metal scrubber and the results will surprise you. For this trick, you'll need basic products. Take an egg and carefully separate the yolk from the white. The yolk helps dissolve greasy stains. Next, take a metal scrubber and place the yolk on it. Add a little dish soap to the yolk. It effectively dissolves fats and removes dirt. Then, add a bit of salt and baking soda. Get a medium-sized bowl and pour the mixture into it. Measure about 400 milliliters of water and pour it into the bowl. Mix everything with a spoon. Apply the mixture to the dirty pots or dishes. Wait a moment, and then wash with a sponge. Rinse thoroughly under running water. Once combined with water, this mixture can be used for cleaning kitchen surfaces, pots, pans, or tougher stains. Thanks to its natural ingredients, it can also be relatively gentle on surfaces, while effectively removing greasy stains and dirt. Your pots and dishes will shine, and no stain will be a problem anymore. Press a potato into salt. This trick is a real lifesaver. Take a regular potato, but make sure it's fairly large. Cut it in half, then dip it in salt. Let it sit for a moment so the salt can bind with the potato. Use this salted potato to scrub your pot. The results are visible almost immediately. Potatoes have cleaning properties mainly due to their starch content, which acts as a natural abrasive and absorbent. Use this trick, and your pots will look brand new. Enjoy your clean pots, and don't forget to share this tip with friends. Apply this mixture to the burnt pan. You'll be surprised by the results. To prepare this amazing cleaner, you'll need ingredients you likely already have at home. First, take a small bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of coffee to it, preferably ground coffee. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. The fine salt crystals act as a gentle abrasive, helping to remove stubborn stains and burnt spots. After that, pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The soap helps eliminate greasy and tough stains. Mix everything carefully until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to the burnt surface and let it sit for a few minutes. During this time, the ingredients will work their magic. Then, scrub the pan with a sponge. The results are almost immediate. Use this trick regularly, and your pans will look as good as new. Enjoy clean pans, and don't forget to share this trick with your friends. No more messy stovetops. My grandmother shared a secret trick with me that keeps my pots from boiling over. This simple method prevents water from boiling over while cooking. Imagine never having to worry about a dirty stove or overflowing pots again. You can prevent this by rubbing the top of the pot with 2 common kitchen items. This easy technique creates a barrier that stops water and other substances from spilling over the sides of the pot. This way, your kitchen stays clean, and you can focus on other tasks. Whether you're cooking pasta, potatoes, or rice, this solution is both practical and economical, as it uses products you likely already have in your kitchen. Just before placing the pot on the stove, smear a small amount of fat, such as butter and oil, on its upper edge. Try this trick and see how much easier it can make your life. You'll never have to clean a burnt stove or keep an eye on the pot, as if it were your precious treasure. Surprise your friends with this knowledge and enjoy stress-free cooking every day. Apply ginger to your throat. You'll be surprised at how effective it is. In my household, nobody goes to the doctor for a sore throat, and nobody spends money on sore throat tablets. This method is a new discovery for many. The results are remarkable. First, take ginger. It has disinfectant properties and is very helpful in treating flu and colds. It is particularly recommended for sore throats. Cut off a piece. We need 1 such slice. Now take a lighter or candle and hold the ginger slice over the flame. This will soften it a bit. It will be easier to apply it to the throat. The heat will also enhance its properties. When the ginger softens a bit, take some Vicks VapoRub. This ointment fights viruses, which are often the cause of sore throats. It soothes pain, burning, and swelling in throat inflammation. Apply the ointment to one side of the ginger. Once applied, place the ginger piece on your neck. At throat level, the ginger must adhere to the body. Gently wrap your neck with a scarf or towel. Leave it on for half an hour. This way, you'll reduce the pain and alleviate throat inflammation. You won't have to suffer. You also won't have to spend money on expensive medications if you react quickly and stop the infection early.